Guys, I'm gonna show you a new take on a brunch breakfast sandwich coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, what are we doing here today? Guys, this is gonna be a nice, quick, buttoned up video for you. Real easy, but you're gonna dig it, okay? Listen, quick backstory. I was over at my guy AB's house from Smoking and Grilling with AB last week. We're doing a cook together on his channel. He was making a brunch breakfast burger, little chorizo, little beef, egg, avocado. Tune into how that avocado was cut. You know, your boy knows how to cut some avocado. All right, so I was kind of spying on him, how he did his breakfast sandwich. So you know your boy's gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna change it up and make it CJ's way. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna do a breakfast sandwich, brunch style. We're gonna use chicken fried steak as the main protein on it. We got some bacon, we got some gravy, Kaiser rolls, a nice runny egg. It's gonna be amazing, okay? The gravy I made already, just a little bit of behind the scenes of how we made that gravy, and the chicken fried steak. I'll run some quick video for you on that. But to watch the full video of making the chicken fried steak and the gravy in the air fryer, click this link right here and check it out. But you'll get a gist of it through the video I roll next, okay? With the gravy, we're just sauteing some onions in some olive oil. We're gonna add our breakfast sausage in there, get it completely cooked through, add a little Uncle Steve shake in there. We're gonna add a third of a cup of flour to the sausage, get the flour cooked for about a minute or so. Add about 2.5 cups of milk, give or take. Add a little hot sauce in there, lots of cracked black pepper. Mix it up till it's thick, ready to roll. This gravy is something that you will love. I said in my video for the chicken fried steak, you put it on the cutting board, you'll want to eat the cutting board. It's that good, all right? With the chicken fried steak, I just used a simple breading that I got from the grocery store, sprayed it down with avocado oil, put it in the dredge with a little Uncle Steve shake in there too, put it in the Foodi grill, air fried it for about 8 minutes, flipped it about halfway through, and did it at 400 degrees, okay? So again, real easy to do. What do we have left to do? We have our chicken fried steak ready, we have our gravy ready, we need to get that bacon fried up, need the eggs fried up. We're gonna toast our buns actually in the Ninja Foodi grill, just because it's out and I don't wanna mess with the toaster. That's it. Then we'll put this together, come back together, take a bite. Just that easy, guys. Got it? Good, let's get started, y'all. All right, team, we got our bacon sizzling up here. Of course, you know I'm making more than just what's in the sandwich. You always gotta have extra bacon, and there ain't nothing better than some nice crispy bacon, especially on a breakfast sandwich. Let's toast up the buns. The air crisp, doesn't matter, 390-20. We're just gonna get it preheated. We're gonna shut it down, get it preheated. We're gonna let these go until they get toasted and brown. Got some butter on there, looking good. Let's get these buns in there, get them toasted up. Okay, the buns are nice and toasty. Woo, hot. We're gonna go ahead, turn this off, and then I'm gonna put the cheese on the buns and just let them chill in there and melt together. Use this one right here. All right, I'm gonna shut this down. The ambient heat will let it melt, and then let's work on the eggs next. All right, let's get a little oil in there, the olive oil. You use butter if you want. I'm using olive oil. Now I've already cracked 1 egg in there. So I learned this trick from Bobby Flay on Food Network. Crack it in a ramekin, pour it in. All right, team, our oil's ready to go. We got this heated up pretty good. I'm gonna shape this up a little bit just so it fits on the sandwich. We're going for sunny side up on this one. We'll get it on there. Okay, it's time to build this dish. First, we're gonna add, well, obviously have our cheese on there already. Our chicken fried steak. You know you gotta have some of that country gravy. Gotta have it thick, baby, thick. Let's get some bacon on this B. We go lattice style. Get this egg on there. Go, egg is on. Add a little cracked black on top. And there is the dish. Looking good. All right, guys, I'm gonna cap this bad boy. That runny egg going through. Crispy bun. There's your cross section. That goodness right there. Team, we are done. There you go. Looking good. You know that's what you want right there. Let's try this bad boy. I'm actually gonna bring the plate up so I don't, you know, this is gonna be all over the place. Cheers. Good. You know you gotta keep a napkin handy. Guys, I know I overuse these terms, but this is money in the bank, all right? Perfect brunch sandwich. That gravy, like I said, you can put it on my hat. It'll be that good, all right? You'll love it. Listen, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you don't mind, hit that thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, make sure you hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now, right? But that's it for this week, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.